Welcome to Luxury Receipts, where we don't just talk about money. We decode how the world's richest actually build their fortunes. Now, let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered how some people seem to effortlessly generate wealth while the rest of us just collect receipts? It's not just luck. Over 70% of billionaires didn't inherit their wealth, they created it. And the wild part? Most of them tapped into the same kinds of industries that most people completely overlook. So today we're taking you behind the velvet rope into 15 luxury industries quietly making billionaires, while the rest of the world barely notices. Let's start with the biggest flex of them all. 1. Space exploration and tourism, the final luxury frontier. Space, the new playground for billionaires. Jeff Bezos, Elon Musk, Richard Branson. They didn't just build companies, they launched entirely new economies. From reusable rockets to orbital vacations, space tourism is becoming the ultimate status symbol. And the kicker? They're not doing this for fun. They're doing it for power, ownership, and future profits beyond Earth. There's no traffic up there, and no limits. 2. Tech and digital platforms. Code over concrete. Think about this. What do Zuckerberg, the Google founders, and Elon Musk all have in common? They didn't build factories, they built platforms with code, apps, social media, marketplaces. These are digital empires with global reach and zero inventory. If you want billionaire level scale with minimal overhead, tech is your best friend. 3. Private aviation, flying above the line. Now let's bring it back to Earth, briefly. Because billionaires don't wait in lines. They fly private, or better yet, own the jets. We're talking charter fleets, maintenance contracts, jet leasing businesses. Warren Buffett's company, NetJets? It's a multi-billion-dollar private aviation empire. While you're checking in, they're taking off. 4. Luxury real estate, owning the skyline forget suburbs. The real power is in properties most people will never see. Private islands, mega mansions, sky-high penthouses with helipads. Real estate is where billionaires park their money and multiply it. From Bel Air to the Burj Khalifa, it's not just property, it's legacy on land. 5. Fine art, money on canvas. Ever laugh at a painting and wonder why it costs $15 million? You're not alone. But billionaires know. Art is capital. Hanging on a wall. It's rare. It's appreciating. And when sold at auction, it's a quiet power move that whispers, I play in different markets. 6. Luxury fashion. Status in stitches. What's more than just style? Status. Bernard Arnault, CEO of LVMH, is the richest man on earth. Why? Because billionaires wear brands that tell stories. Couture, bespoke tailoring, rare sneakers worth more than cars. Fashion isn't just wearable. It's a statement that prints money. If you want to dress like wealth and think like a billionaire, don't forget to subscribe for more tips on turning luxury into legacy. Yachts and super yachts, billionaire battle cruisers. You've seen big boats, but a billionaire yacht is a floating fortress, complete with spas, staff, submarines, even missile defense in some cases. Bezos dropped $500 million on one. Why? Because in this game, your yacht isn't transport, it's territory. Enjoying this wealth wisdom? Hit that subscribe button because your journey to elite success starts right here. 8. Luxury hospitality, sleep like a sovereign. Luxury hotels don't just serve guests, they serve experiences, private villas, $25,000 a night suites, personal butlers, think Maldives, Bora Bora, Swiss Alps. Billionaires don't book Airbnbs. They invest in full-service resorts, or build their own. And every night? A mortgage payment in profits. If building wealth while sleeping sounds like your vibe, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a single strategy. 9. Fine wine and rare spirits, liquid assets. Some people age whiskey. Billionaires age wealth. One bottle of vintage Macallan sold for nearly $2 million. Rare wines and spirits are being bought, cellared, and flipped like real estate. Because when it's bottled, rare, and aged right, it's a drinkable dividend. Learning how billionaires turn luxury into passive income? Subscribe now and toast to your future fortune. 10. High-end watches, time you can bank on. Luxury watches aren't just about knowing the time, they're about knowing when to invest. Rolex, Patek Philippe, Audemars Piguet. These tickers increase in value faster than tech stocks. A billionaire's wrist? It's often worth more than your car. Time is money, and if you want more of both, hit that subscribe button. Your wealth journey deserves every second. 11. Health and longevity, biohacking billionaires. You can't enjoy wealth if you're not around to spend it. Billionaires know this. That's why they're pumping money into age reversal, stem cell therapy, DNA reprogramming, and elite Swiss clinics. Living longer, profiting longer. It's not sci-fi anymore. It's a growing luxury market. Want to live long enough to enjoy generational wealth? Subscribe now because your health is your first true investment. 12. Cybersecurity, the new billionaire bodyguard. Money attracts attention, and in the digital age, that attention is dangerous. Billionaires invest big in cybersecurity. Think AI-based threat detection, personal digital vaults, encrypted phones, because privacy isn't a luxury for the rich. It's a requirement. And protecting digital assets? A booming billion-dollar industry. Protect your future like a billionaire protects their fortune. Tap subscribe and stay 10 steps ahead in the digital game. 13. Luxury education, generational wealth training. Want to raise a future billionaire? It starts with elite education. We're talking $50,000 per year prep schools, bespoke tutoring, international academies with royal alumni. It's not about GPA. It's about networks, legacies, and inherited advantage, because billionaires don't just make money. They manufacture successors. Wealth without wisdom fades. Subscribe for more secrets on building dynasties that last beyond a lifetime. 14. Luxury infrastructure, hidden billionaire builders. You won't see these companies on Forbes, but they build for billionaires. Underground garages, panic rooms, private tunnels, soundproof vaults, floating helipads. This industry customizes the world behind the scenes. For those who can afford invisible luxury. Want to know what the world's richest are building in silence? Hit subscribe and unlock the unseen layers of luxury. 15. Venture capital, billionaires, betting on the future. Finally, when billionaires get bored, they don't buy toys. They buy startups. VC firms let them invest early in tech, crypto, biotech, anything disruptive. It's Shark Tank on steroids, a game where billionaires fund the next billionaire, and profits multiply faster than headlines. Are you just watching innovation or ready to invest in it? Subscribe now if you're done thinking small. Closing scene. Visuals of receipts turning into gold bars, rockets launching, cities glowing at night. So here's the truth. The difference between a good life and a billionaire life isn't just money. It's perspective. It's knowing where the power flows and where the profits hide. These 15 luxury industries? They're not just markets, they're maps. Maps to modern dynasties, being built quietly while the world scrolls by. Let us know in the comments, which one of these industries are you watching, and which one are you secretly ready to dive into? Like this video if your mind is now officially upgraded. Subscribe to Luxury Receipts to stay steps ahead of the mainstream. And share this with someone who's ready to stop watching billionaires and start thinking like one. This is Luxury Receipts, where wealth is decoded one luxury industry at a time. Now go collect